Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Rock 254. Where you tune in for another one. Sitting here in the living room, about to open up some packages. Got some more stuff for the box Chevy, for the box Chevy next phase. LS Landau. I don't know. I kind of feel like it probably need a new name, because we about to go next level with this shit. Anyway, got some packages. I kind of already opened up. So this right here are the gauges, rim boot sign gauges. People been constantly asking. I think I'm gonna just put the link in the description box below, because can't nobody seem to find them without us doing that. So yeah, I got my fitting for my oil pressure sensor. That's sold separately. You gotta go to ICT to get it. Let's see what else we got here. All right, so right here we got our voltmeter gauge. As you can see there, very nice, very nice. Shout out to my man Cortez. He told me about these gauges a minute ago. I just never had the need for them until now. If you was in that live, you already seen this, but I got something extra for you, so you gotta stay tuned for that. This is the temps in the unit, but we won't need it because we want to run a 3-wire 1998 Camaro sending unit and pigtail for that. For your water, we got a water temp gauge. You can see right there. And we got, so it's 6 gauges in all. Price comes around about $2 something. There's our fuel gauge. You can see there. Very, very, very nice. I like these gauges for this build because they're gonna kind of fit the time period a little bit. Cause like 2010 and up Camaro dash, but still got the old school gauges. You know what I'm talking about? Then you got your oil pressure right there. And then on to the big dogs, we have what is gonna be our tachometer, which is that right there. Boom! So we got our tach. And then we also have our speedometer. Boom. Hey, y'all know me, man. I don't be tripping on no speedometer, dog. I go with the flow of traffic, you heard me? But it'll be a nice upgrade to finally kind of know everything that's going on in the car without having to have a laptop present. Cause I be riding with a laptop, riding around with a laptop, and people think I'm trying to make some adjustments so I can race them or something, and I'm like, nah, bro. I'm just checking my, making sure that my damn, making sure my shit ain't overheating. You know what I'm saying? Making sure everything is copacetic and on the up and up. Now, the part that y'all didn't see, because it just came in, that was not in that live, this part right here. Oh, hold on. Where I put it at, there you go. So yeah, so these right here also going in the same predicament. We're gonna just end up putting this all in the same box because it's all going to the same destination. We have the check engine light, and then we have 2 turn signals, and we have a high beam indicator, as you can see there. All of these are the same ones that you have seen before in the C10 or whatever. But yeah, you can see them right there. Check engine, high beam, and then you got your turn signals left and right, and the light swing light. So those are added pieces that we needed for that. Trying to think. Now we just need like a steering wheel, steering column, which both can be replaced after the fact that the swap is already done for the dash or whatever. However, I would probably like to go ahead and knock it all out at the same time. Probably while we got the dash off, y'all know I got that alarm system from my man Terry Guest. Shout out to Terry. So being that we got that, probably when we tear this all apart, that's when we're going ahead and go install the gauges. So we'll do the wiring for the gauges, put the alarm system in there, all of that at the same time. That way we don't have to tear it back out. And then from there, after the dash is in there, seats is in there, everything like that, then we move forward to paint. Then the paint get done. Final assembly, putting all our trim on, everything like that. And the LS Landau lives on. You know what I'm talking about? LS Landau lives on. I can't help myself, I'm sorry. Alright, man, we here, man. Till next time, it's your boy LS Chevrolet 254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose while you in productivity or procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.